Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk about antivirus and is there any need of antivirus in our mobile phones? We all have used antivirus in our computers and know its importance as antivirus protects our computer and data from viruses. But there is difference in mobile operating systems like Android or iOS from computer Windows and antivirus for mobile is not as strong as it works in your computer Windows. So if you are particular in some points then there is no need of installing antivirus on your mobile device as antivirus use RAM and other resources of your mobile device and make your mobile device slow. Point number 1. Always download your applications from reliable sources like Google Play Store as Google makes sure that applications available in Google Play Store are free from viruses. Point number 2. Avoid rooting your mobile device as system files of your mobile phone is safely stored till the time your mobile phone is not rooted. Point number 3. In Android, when you install applications, it asks you for some permissions like permission to use your camera, mic or contact data. So think before giving permissions to unknown applications. Point number 4. Avoid surfing unsafe websites on your mobile web browser. So these points will help you to keep your mobile phone free from errors. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.